Did you know that 1 in 5 Americans is deficient in iodine? And if you guessed that deficiency causes goiters, you'd be wrong. It also causes brain damage. What if I told you there's a superfood so rich in iodine it has the power to reverse brain damage? A superfood so underrated that despite being touted by celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Gwyneth Paltrow, it's still mostly unknown to the general public. A superfood so unique that despite being a type of seaweed, it doesn't taste like other seaweeds, not even close. In fact, it tastes delicious. It's buttery, creamy, a little sour, like a luxurious avocado. If you guessed this was about sea moss, you'd be right. Today we're talking all things sea moss. Stick around till the end because I'm gonna answer the question, is sea moss a scam or the real deal? But first, I want to take you on a journey to Jamaica, the birthplace of sea moss. In the 1960s, Jamaicans were going through a rough patch. Their diet consisted mainly of bland rice and peas because most of their fruits and veggies were imported and prohibitively expensive. Enter sea moss. This humble seaweed was already a beloved part of Jamaican cuisine, but suddenly it took on new importance. Jamaicans realized they could grow sea moss themselves, an abundant source of nutrition that didn't require any money to cultivate. Sea moss became known as the poor man's caviar. But it wasn't just the taste that made Jamaicans fall in love with sea moss. It was also the way it made them feel, energized, healthier, wealthier. Soon, sea moss went from a local delicacy to a national treasure. Jamaicans started sharing it with friends and family, even their friends and family overseas. And that's when sea moss went viral. Today, people all over the world are swapping out their morning oatmeal for sea moss. Smoothies, puddings, teas, soups, even ice cream, you name it, sea moss can be added to it. But before we get into the 10 incredible benefits of sea moss, let's talk about safety. The FDA does not regulate dietary supplements. Therefore, the safety of sea moss as a dietary supplement has not been established. If you are pregnant, nursing, have a medical condition, or are taking medications, please consult your doctor before consuming sea moss. Now let's get to those benefits. Number 1, high in antioxidants. Sea moss is loaded with antioxidants, which protect your cells against free radical damage, helping you live longer and healthier lives. One study found that sea moss has more antioxidants than other popular superfoods like spirulina, turmeric, and ginger. Number 2, boosts thyroid function. If you suffer from hypothyroidism, you'll be happy to hear that sea moss is rich in iodine, which is essential for normal thyroid function. In fact, the FDA recommends that adults consume 150 micrograms of iodine per day. Just 1 ounce of sea moss contains 290 micrograms of iodine. Number 3, improves brain function. Iodine is also crucial for optimal brain function. That's why it's no surprise that iodine deficiency causes brain damage. But what's surprising is that sea moss can actually repair brain damage caused by iodine deficiency. Number 4, supports weight loss. If you're trying to shed a few pounds, add some sea moss to your diet. It's high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer and prevents overeating. Plus, sea moss is a natural appetite suppressant. Number 5, prevents goiters. I know I mentioned goiters earlier, but they're actually quite serious and can lead to breathing difficulties and even death. Fortunately, sea moss is a rich source of iodine, which prevents goiters in the first place. Number 6, maintains healthy blood pressure. Sea moss is rich in calcium, which strengthens your arteries and reduces your risk of developing high blood pressure. Number 7, slows hair and muscle loss. If you're noticing patches of your hair or muscle mass disappearing, it could be due to an iodine deficiency. Sea moss is a great way to increase your iodine intake and prevent hair and muscle loss. Number 8, improves skin health. Sea moss is rich in collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. So if you want to improve your skin's elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, start incorporating sea moss into your diet. Number 9, enhances exercise performance. If you're an athlete, you'll definitely want to add sea moss to your pre-workout routine. It's rich in iron, which improves oxygen delivery to your muscles, giving you the boost you need to perform at your best. Number 10, Supports healthy pregnancy. Iodine is essential for healthy fetal brain development. Pregnant women who consume enough iodine are less likely to experience miscarriages or stillbirths. So now that you know all the amazing benefits of sea moss, it's time to separate fact from fiction. Can sea moss really do all the things people say it can? The answer may surprise you. Some people claim that sea moss can cure cancer, others that it can treat thyroid disorders like Hashimoto's. Now that you know the truth about sea moss, it's time to decide if it's right for you. Will you be adding this unique superfood to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.